Hi everyone, thank you for taking my course again. Let's talk about meeting new people. So can you think of 10 questions you might ask if you were meeting a new friend? So maybe you meet someone new at a cafe or on the bus or on the train and you start talking. What would you ask? So there's an assignment as well. So maybe you could write 10 questions that you might ask to meet a new friend, and then after you can watch this lesson. So for a lot of students this is difficult, so I might start with, hi, is that an interesting book? You know, if someone's reading a book, or are you going to Vancouver today? Or I don't know, start with something and then start a conversation. Starting's a little bit difficult, but we can talk about that later. You might ask, are you here on vacation? Things like that. So try to think of 10 questions to ask a new friend. So here are some example questions. Where are you from? What are your hobbies? What do you do? And for a lot of people here, you'd answer, I'm a student. How do you usually spend your weekends? Do you like to travel? What kind of music do you like? Do you ever go to concerts? Do you like to play sports? Do you live far from this school? If you're talking to someone at university, you might want to ask that one there. So here are some example answers for the question, where are you from? I'm from London. Or I'm from Yokohama. How about you? I'm from Canada. Where is she from? She's from Hong Kong. Where is he from? He's from China. Where are you from? Plural, so two people. We are from Tokyo. We're in the same class. Where are they from? They are from Niigata. They are my classmates. Mr. Plaza is from America. Mr. Miller is from Canada. So you should try too. How would you answer, where are you from? So when you start a conversation, you often use the phrase, nice to meet you. So my name is Kevin. What's your name? My name is Bob. It's nice to meet you. So it's a nice way to sort of meet and greet someone. Where is Mr. Baladad from? He's from California, but he lives in Japan now. Hello, I'm Yosuke Tanaka. Hi, my name is Sally, but please call me Soupy. Okay, where are you from, Soupy? I'm from Vancouver. Soupy is my nickname. Do you have a nickname, Yosuke? No, I don't. How about you? Do you have a nickname? A nickname's often kind of a fun name that we use. So, yeah, wonder if you have one as well. So if you are a university student, you are probably majoring in something. So a major is your main study. So some example majors are Japanese culture, human relations, English communication, tourism and cultural studies, psychology, interior design, architectural design, Japanese literature, history, political science, economics, business administration, human welfare, law, sports and leisure management. So yeah, that's one thing that you should know if you are a student at university. kind of basic English to know what your major is. So here are some common questions you might be asked. This is kind of basic daily English. What's Toronto like? It's very big and multicultural. What's your dad like? He's serious and kind. What does your dad like? He likes to watch sports. What is Yosuke's major? He studies psychology, or he majors in psychology. How about you? What's your major? I major in political science. Sally studies business. So we'll go over a bit of grammar. So I'm equals I am. Take a look here. I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. Should be he's. It's a bit of a mistake. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is. We're equals we are. And again, it's equals it is. Got it twice. There equals they are. So try to remember that. We often shorten it. So I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's. So I'm from Canada instead of I am from Canada. You're from Bulgaria instead of you are from Bulgaria. He's from Japan, or he is from Japan. So take a look at this and see how we kind of shorten the English. Shorten it like that. Where do you come from? I come from Canada. How about you? Where did you come from? Well, today I came from Yokohama. How about you? So there's a difference there. Hopefully you can catch that.